Welcome to the machines, where giant chainsaws, towering trees, and powerful forestry machines steal the spotlight. Discover how modern agriculture technology is making logging faster, safer, and more efficient than ever. Dead trees beside railway tracks pose a serious safety risk. Before they can fall and block the line, skilled crews use powerful chainsaws to remove them, with carefully planned cuts, protecting rail traffic while keeping forestry operations safe and efficient. Delivering fast, precise cuts for forestry operations. Every successful logging job starts with safety, protective equipment, proper training, and carefully planned cuts reduce risks and help operators stay in control, proving that experience and preparation matter just as much as powerful machinery. An overloaded truck crossed a wooden bridge, causing it to collapse under the excessive weight, leaving the vehicle stranded instantly. The AIRT-800 Raptor packs 800 horsepower into a rugged 20-ton machine. Its M900 mulching head spins at 1,000 revolutions per minute, clearing dense vegetation quickly while reducing wildfire risks and improving sustainable land management. Enjoy watching these incredible forestry machines? Like the video and subscribe. There's plenty more ahead. Age doesn't always mean outdated. This 1,940 seconds Corley sawmill, powered by a 1953 Detroit 3-71 engine producing 95 horsepower, continues turning massive logs into quality lumber with impressive reliability and timeless engineering. Don't let its compact size fool you. The Ventac KC180 features an 18-inch cutting wheel with 16 carbide teeth and a powerful 35 horsepower engine, delivering impressive grinding performance while easily accessing confined spaces where larger machines cannot operate. It's a reminder that responsible forestry protects wildlife while harvesting timber. Watching a giant Pacific Northwest conifer fall is a lesson in precision. Every cut is carefully calculated, allowing skilled loggers to protect nearby property while demonstrating the efficiency and professionalism behind today's forestry industry. Large roadside trees add natural beauty, but can quickly become dangerous. Mountain logging demands equipment built for extreme conditions. The Shom 405 H2L combines articulated steering, a high-torque hydrostatic transmission, and precise grappling to harvest timber safely on steep alpine slopes where conventional forestry machines struggle to operate. Transporting heavy timber requires exceptional performance. Powered by a massive 16-liter engine producing 600 horsepower, the Volvo FH16600 climbs steep forest roads with ease, while its automated transmission improves fuel efficiency and driver comfort during long-hauling operations. Removing a tree is only half the job. Armed with a powerful digging bucket, this excavator tears through stubborn roots and lifts massive stumps with ease. It clears the ground faster, reduces manual labor, and prepares the site for the next stage of forestry or construction. Wood waste becomes valuable material with the Morbark 30 RXL Vester. Its massive 83-inch disc chipper, powered by a 150 horsepower Cat C27 engine, processes entire trees continuously, increasing productivity while reducing waste across demanding commercial forestry projects. Creative engineering meets real productivity. Powered by a Volvo EC140B excavator, this homemade wood processor slices oversized birch logs efficiently, producing up to 8 cubic meters per hour, while proving that practical innovation can compete with commercial equipment. Raw pulling power takes center stage as the Caterpillar D8, He and D6 are tractors, unleash a combined 650 horsepower. This heavy equipment tears through compact soil and rocks with exceptional traction, preparing productive, sustainable farmland for large-scale agricultural operations. Storm-damaged oaks can become extremely dangerous without the right approach. Using the reliable Stihl MS-290, crews cut from the base while supporting the trunk, reducing movement and making post-storm cleanup safer, faster, and far more efficient. Working beneath a heavy lift helicopter, skilled crews remove towering trees with incredible precision despite extreme risks. Precision transforms every pass as the ONCAME-6 excavator unleashes 150 horsepower to clear ditches efficiently. Its agile bucket and smooth hydraulic movements remove dense vegetation quickly, boosting productivity while delivering accurate, reliable performance on demanding construction projects. Shortcuts can become dangerous in seconds. Pulling a tree stump with the tire and chain may seem effective, but if the chain snaps under tension, it can launch with tremendous force, proving why professional equipment is always the safer investment.
No, kasuhan ko.